Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive class morphism movies website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description and you can see the neat and very cool professional website here. You can see the search animation going on and you can see we have added the search button, we have added the home, popular, trending as well as favorite channels, and you know that each and every card we have added the add to popular icon as well as add to favorite list. You can see at the top right corner of the card, you can see the smooth transition. You can see how neatly they are aligned perfectly using the slider JavaScript library, and you can see the trending section here where the card is highlighted. The most popular or most trending card is highlighted. You can see how neatly the text animation is taking place, the title of the movie as well as what genre it is in, like action, adventure. The details are showing up and you can see that entire website is made in glass morphism. That is, it is giving a very professional look, and the website is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. That is the reason it is called as a responsive website, and it will give a very good weightage to your resume for the final year students. It will be a very good project and will be very good for your resume as well as very good impression to your recruiters. And you can see this is the mobile version we have here, and you can see how neatly we have aligned based on the size of the mobile screen. And you can see the menu bar here, how neatly the transition is taking place, and all the menu icons are placed perfectly, and you can see the transition, the closing transition of the menu bar. You can see very neat and clean, and the search element is also very good here. You can also search and remove the search, and this website is also available in the tab version also. And you can see that we have made it responsive to be available in mostly in three devices, that is in laptop, mobile as well as in tab. And the one of the best things about this website is that it is made it will give a very professional look to your project list that you are going to add in your resume. Very good for your final year students, and it will be a very good impression to your recruiters. And it is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, very beginner friendly. Definitely try to build this website. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The source code is available in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more amazing tutorials, please do visit the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.